Day everyone.
Thank you. Happy Children's Day to you too.
Yay! It's celebration time. Today is 14 November, the day we celebrate Children's Day. My mom says that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, loved children dearly. So his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day to rejoice his love for children. Chacha Nehru always said that he may not have time for adults, but he had enough time for children.
Oh, we really wait for this day when our teachers give performance and enact hilarious skits for us. It is a day full of fun and frolic.
This is one of the days when our teachers conduct special assembly for us. At times, they even dress up in school uniforms. They also organize a grand feast with various games and food stalls where we got delicious snacks and even try our luck on fun-filled games. Our principal ma'am organizes a mini carnival for us. There are puppet shows, adventure zones, castles and joyous train rides, all within the safety of our school premises. That's great fun. It reminds us all the previous years of fun that we had while growing up. Our teachers' love for us is so evident. They make each and every one of us feel so special.
Children's Day helps to express and strengthen the mutual bond of unconditional love and respect of students and teachers.
Yes, that's true. In remembrance of Chacha Nehru, we wish each and every child a
Very happy Children's Day!